Rolljak is a gamified classroom engagement tool with open-ended templates suitable for brainstorming sessions, project work, and classroom quizzes. In this video, I wanted to give you a really quick look at how to use a template on Rolljak to speed up the creation of your session. Find your suitable template from Get Mixing with Template. Open it by clicking on Use Template. The survivor gets participants to redesign a random object to survive. The prompt can be modified. The multiplier gets participants to mix and modify the objects to make something cool, clever, or funny. Boost interaction and engagement using collaboration and peer evaluation. You can also add more activities to engage your participants. Unscramble gets participants to rearrange the correct sequence. Have fun with the activities on Rolljak templates and enable creative collaboration with friends in real time, wherever you are. Get rolling with Rolljak!